We're pretty much staying home for the next month or two, or maybe even longer. And it's all because of the COVID-19 crisis that put a quarter, that's about 20% of the world's population, to unprecedented government measures and rules. By the way, the number is increasing and more countries are locking down. But my question for you is, what have you been doing in the last few weeks since the lockdown and quarantine? Welcome back to Pinoy Real. If it's your first time in this channel, my name is Katrina and I'm here to motivate and inspire you by bringing in topics that matter in real life. I know you guys have been watching Netflix, playing Xbox and PlayStation, maybe snacking your lockdown groceries, and probably posting your daily lockdown vlogs on social media. Well, that's totally fine. There's nothing wrong with those things. But what if I tell you that you can be productive at home while learning new skills that will potentially pay you in the future? Yes, you've heard it right. Nowadays, learning new skills is a lot easier and better, thanks to the ever-changing technology and companies that put all the resources together. But here's the catch. These skills are only for the strong-hearted ones. I said that because learning new skills, especially at home, using the internet, requires a lot of discipline and time management skills. There'd be no teacher telling you, "Class, it's time to open your book on page 7. Learning or working at home means you will be the boss of your own time. Without further ado, and if you're ready to learn new skills that pay the bills, get on board with me and keep watching this video. Number 1, learn a new language. The truth is, in today's increasingly interconnected and interdependent world, proficiency in other languages is a vital skill that gives us the opportunity to engage with the world in a more immediate and meaningful way, while better preparing us to compete and succeed in the global economy. What are the benefits of learning languages? One of the most rewarding aspects of the human experience is our ability to connect with others. Knowing the language makes you a local no matter where you are, opening up your world literally and figuratively. You will be shaped by communities. You will be humbled by the kindness of strangers. You will build lifelong friendships, and for these reasons alone, you will see the reward of learning languages for many years to come. Language skills can be a significant competitive advantage that sets you apart from your monolingual peers. Guess what? Language is one of the top 8 skills required of all occupations, no matter your sector or skill level. And the demand for bilingual professionals is rising exponentially. Employers are seeking professionals who can communicate seamlessly with customers in new and expanding overseas markets, as well as serve and sell to a large foreign-born population. You can work in the outsourcing industries as an online language teacher, interpreter, or translator, or get promoted in your job. Whatever your career aspiration, with language skills added to the mix, you're ahead of the crowd. So where to learn languages? Duolingo is a website where users can learn languages for free. It's a great tool to learn languages whether on a computer or smartphone. It is personally my favorite language app. Another language tool that is so useful is Babel. It is a German subscription-based language learning app and e-learning platform that has been available in several languages since 2008. Number 2, learn new skills that pay the bills. There are countless of new skills that we can learn in our spare time that can potentially give us a side or even full income. Blog posts, podcasts, and even YouTube are great starting points for exploring a particular subject. But online business courses will provide you with the time and space you need to go deep and truly master a new skill. Plus, most courses are made up of on-demand videos and exercises that you can progress through at your own pace. Here are the websites that offer thousands of courses and cover a wide range of topics from economics, digital marketing, to artificial intelligence. The Art of Sales by Coursera. This course is designed to make you more effective and efficient as you pursue your sales goals. Understand how to stand out in the crowd, attract customers, and build support for initiatives within your company. How Websites Work by Google Garage. Learn the basics of websites, local business listings, review sites, social media, mobile apps, and more. How to Build a Startup by Udacity. In an introduction to the basics of the famous customer development process, Steve Blank provides an insight into the key steps needed to build a successful startup. Online Video Marketing course by HubSpot Academy. This online video marketing training will teach you how to get started with online video marketing to better attract, engage, and delight your audience. And finally, WordPress by Udemy. This course will provide you with a comprehensive guide to starting your blog and choosing your niche, making your blog popular, and monetizing it. Number 3, learn new hobbies. Learning an entirely new skill can be daunting. Luckily, we have the internet, which is probably the place you're spending all your free time anyway, and which allows you to learn the basics of pretty much anything for free. What if you can make money from just doing activities you actually enjoy? Baking. How would you sell that? Actually, there are more places than you might think. Participating in local bake sales is only the first one that comes to mind. If you want to get really ambitious, you can start an online baked good product line. Everyone loves baked goods, but since so few people actually do any baking anymore, the market is wide open. This is especially true for items that are novel or quick, such as cookies, cupcakes, and muffins. Where to learn baking? Check out these sites where you can learn baking. I will also include the links of the websites where you learn all these skills in the description box. Photography. Photography is a pastime that's a part hobby and part artwork. If the photos that you are taking gravitate more toward art, it's entirely possible that you'll be able to make some money with this hobby. Allison offers free online diploma and certificate courses in a wide variety of disciplines, which includes a handful of photography courses designed to help shutterbugs of varying skill levels take their photography to the new heights. Crafts. Making crafts have been a popular way to make money for many years. If you do woodworking, pottery, painting, or some other handmade item, you can make money by selling at local craft fairs or online via Etsy. Check out Skillshare.com to learn more about crafts. So those are the skills that I believe you can learn online at home, most especially during times like this when job security is not a guarantee. Learning can be fun and sometimes challenging, but the most important thing is we're doing our passion that gives us income. Now that's really being productive. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to Pinoy Reel and hit the notification bell so you get updated whenever I upload a new video. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!
Oh.